In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make circle letters for multiple choice items in Google Docs. This feature can come in incredibly handy when you're creating quizzes or surveys, providing a clean and professional look to your documents. Let's get started and see how it's done. Imagine you're working on a multiple choice quiz and you want your letters A, B, and C to be neatly encircled. This little trick helps to visually separate the options and make them stand out. First, let's start by setting up our document. If you've already typed out your options and need to transform them into circled letters, the first thing to do is delete the letters you'd like to replace. For example, let's say we want to circle the letter A, then B, and also C. Go ahead and delete these letters in your document now, leaving blank spaces for where they should be. Now, to insert a special character, click on the Insert menu located at the top of your Google Docs interface. From the drop-down menu, select Symbols and then choose Special Characters. This action will open up a new window that allows you to search for various symbols and characters, including letters with different kinds of accents, symbols, and indeed, circled letters. In the Special Characters window, there's a search bar where you can type in keywords. Go ahead and type circled letter in this bar. This should bring up a list of circled letters from which you can choose. Find the letter A with a circle around it and click to insert it into your document. You should now see it pop up where your cursor is in your document. Fantastic! Next, we're going to do the same thing for the letter B. Return to the search bar in the Special Characters window, but this time search for circled B. When you spot it, click to add B with a circle into your document. Easy, right? Finally, let's wrap up by adding C. Search for circled C, and click on the correct character to insert it. And voila! You now have your A, B, and C neatly encircled, giving your document that polished look. This process is a simple and effective way to enhance the presentation of your multiple choice items. It can be especially useful in educational materials and quizzes, making them not only more attractive, but also clearer for those who are taking them. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps you create more visually appealing documents in the future. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Happy document editing!